How to fix Lasko heater red light on but not working, no heat. So there are several ways for you to fix this. So the first and foremost solution would be to reset the heater. As you use your Lasko heater over time, the device will develop functional issues. One such issue is the device's inability to turn on even when the red light appears on it. So the solution to this problem is a quick reset. So to reset your Lasko heater, unplug the device from power and wait for 15 minutes. Then connect the heater back to power. Now check if your heater is blowing hot air. If your room still feels cool, try the next step. So second thing you can do is to plug the heater directly into the wall. The Lasko heater does not support extension cords and adapters. So if you've plugged the heater into an extension cord, the device may not work. Third thing you can do is to plug your heater into another power outlet. Your Lasko heater may fail to work because you've plugged the device into a faulty power outlet. Although your current outlet is good enough to generate power, it could experience power fluctuations as such the heater won't blow hot air consistently. To fix this issue, you'll need to disconnect the heater from your old power outlet and plug it into a more functional outlet. Fourth thing you can do is to clean the filter on the heater. The Lasko heater contains a filter which extracts debris from the air inside the heater before it is released into your room. With time, the filter will become clogged with dirt. If the filter is blocked, the hot air from the heater will get stuck at the entrance of the filter. So you can solve this problem by cleaning the filter on your heater with a forced air canister or battery powered duster. Once you've finished cleaning up, check if the heater is working. And lastly is to lubricate the bearings of the heater fan motor. Another possible reason why the Lasko heater may not work even when it shows a red light is rusty motor bearings on the heater fan. The corrosion on these bearings will prevent them from moving fast. So oiling the rusty fan motor bearings with a 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil will remove the rust on them. Avoid using WD-40 to lubricate the bearings as the oil only reverses the corrosion for a short period. After lubricating the motor bearings on your Lasko heater fan, wait for the oil to dry, then reassemble the heater and turn it on. And that is how you can basically fix Lasko heater red light on but not working, no heat.